Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another entry into my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway, and I appreciate all your love and support. I appreciate all my new subbies, and for all of you who are helping me grow my channel. I'm loving the inspiration I'm receiving from you, as well as the feedback. And this entry is number 16. It comes from one of my newer friends. Her name is Monty, and she is the polka dot pine cone here on YouTube. Look for her link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you can go check her out. She is just another amazing crafter. I swear, I just have like lots of amazing crafting subbies. Let's see what her entry is and what it looks like. So cute. I love these snap envelopes. I did a die cut swap with Monty last month, and she sent some of her die cuts in an envelope she made similar to this, just a little bigger, but it had the snap thing, and I just kept playing with the snap thing. I want to get one of those snap button kits, but I don't need another tool. But anyway, okay, so she has, oh, look at this fun package. Here's her Memorydex. Let's get into her Memorydex. How beautiful. Okay, let's get it out of this so we can cut through the glare. Here it is. And she's put crinkle in it. I love these colors, teal and pink. And let's see. So beautiful, Monty. Oh, look at how dimensional and chunky. She's got lots of layers here. I see a mermaid tail, a seashell, this straw. It's very summer, beachy vibe, vacation. Love this tool. Just a beautiful flower. Nice chipboard piece with the word summer travel. And this resin flower here. So pretty. And let's see what we can find out. So Monty is from Utah. She has a clean and simple style, and she is born in April. Thank you so much, Monty, for your love and support. I appreciate you joining my challenge. And let's see her other goodies. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful. These are just gorgeous. And they're like, you can use them as embellishments on a scrapbook page. You can use them to for a bag topper. Look at how cute these. She added a jump ring to the top and added these little bows. And she made some of these cute little rosettes that she's topped in the center with some flat back beads. And it says the wind, the sun, the ocean. And she's added some of these, they're not Skittles. Carrie from Double Click Connect, she makes something similar to this, and hers are called Skittles. These are probably just like, I don't know. They look like water drops. And then she even sewed, I don't know if you can see there. See the sewing on the paper? Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Thank you so much, Monty. I appreciate that. And then, in my little envelope that I like to play with, she has gifted me a rosette, a little circle embellishment, ooh, some pretty washi. Oh, look at these bows. Some pretty resin beaded bows. Oh, and some of this tulle trim that she has gathered. And you know what? I love this because I don't have a sewing machine. And I don't really know how to sew. So, yay! I have some of this I can use. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to try and use this in a next project for like packaging or anything. Aw, thank you so much, Monty. And she's also added some Project Life cards, like type of cards. Yeah, I want to be lost in paradise right now. Well, that is Monty's entry. Thank you so much, girl, for playing and participating. I appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. And until the next video, shakas.